Clarification questions. Yeah. Mr. Kosonke, did you ever attend school from sub A or dom A or grade 1?
Kabuza ke ukuthi la ngifuna nje ukuthi ke kuqala mina ukuthi ke why yini esikoleni ukusuka ke noma uqala ke na sub A.
Yep.
Yes.
Was it a Christian school? Christian school meaning religious was. Did you pray?
Kwakuyisikolo
When you prayed at school, did you pray at school?
kwakuthandaza esikoleni.
Yes, kokuthandaza.
Yes.
You prayed about Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ.
Yes.
Yebo.
I'm asking this because you say, I don't know what an oath is.
Ngikubuza lokho ngoba ke uthi awukwazi ukufunga ukuthi kuyini.
And yet you were in a school. You ended which standard?
Isiphi wagcina usiphi standard?
Grade 12.
Grade 12.
Right. Where you taught religious studies.
Ingaba ke nani ifunda ifundo ke ezihlangene nokukholwa noma nenkolo.
Ngigcine primary.
It's at primary.
Yes. I also attended primary school. Dom A, actually. I started at Dom A. Sub A, sub B standard 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. University 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So you, because you're a Christian also, it appears you attended the format, except that you ended at matric.
Wasugcina nanjengoba usho ukuthi wagcina ku-matric.
Here was the matric.
Yes.
And you don't know what an oath is.
Awukwazi
As you are
ukufunga.
standing there.
Nanjengoba umilana ukufunga ukuthi kuyini awukwazi. I don't understand what the court means.
You understand well. I'm not talking Chinese. You don't know what an oath is. You said that, not me.
Iwena osho lokho akusiyimi uthi ke ukufunga ukuthi kusho ukuthini ukufunga awukwazi ukuthatha isifungo futhi awukwazi ukuthi kusho ukuthini lokho.
Ngoba ngishilo ngathi mina ikahle kahle yilokuzana language yasecourt angiyazi ngoba ngaze ngabusho before.
As I indicated, my lord, that I do not understand the language of the court because I've never been arrested before.
It's not the language of the court. Oath. It's a language. Standard 1, mistresses. They normally sometimes tell people, swear. Are you not lying? This is speak. Education speak. At school. Mistresses, teachers, they will tell a student you are lying. You've never heard that. Tell the truth. You've never heard that type of thing. I also lied at primary school and secondary school. But we told, tell the truth. Where were you when I'd gone to play football and I was not at school? So, we've never had that experience.
Akusiyona language yasecourt awukaze othisha yini bakutshele ukuthi ke uqamba amanga kungani uqamba amanga funga ukuthi lokho okhulumayo kuyiqiniso noma kusona iqiniso.
Oh ngiyezwa.
Oh, I hear.
Yeah. Okay, just one other aspect. Did Gininda force you to write anything?
Ingabe uGininda wakuphoqa yini ukuthi ubhale nje noma yini?
Njengoba ngishilo ukuthi akukho ngiphoqa kukho.
As I said that there was nothing that he forced me in.
Did he force you? You said to this court, you initialed each and every page. Did Gininda force you to initial each and every page of that statement or whatever you call that document?
Kuyona le document noma i-statement noma ke kuthiwa yini ukubizwa kwakho ushilo ukuthi ke i-page ngayodwa lapha yana wa initial kuyona ingabe uGininda wakuphoqa yini ukuthi faka ama initials zakho la faka ama initials zakho la.
Ngicabanga phambi kwecourt akukhona ngeke ngathi mina mistake nje ngakhona phambi kwecourt khona.
I think I never mentioned it or never said it before this court that there's anywhere where Gininda forced me.
Yeah, fine. Yeah, that's true. They never forced you to initial the pages. You did it out of your own free will.
Yebo kuyiqiniso lokho akakaze akuphoqe ukusho ukuthi ke uma ngaba wena ukwenza noma uinitial laphayana wenza okuphuma kuwena ukhululekile ukwenza ngokukhululeka lokho. Phinde futhi uthi wa initial angithi uma uinitial awenzi into oyitshelwayo kodwa wenza into ephuma kuwena wenza into ngokuyithandela wena hayi ukuthi uphoqiwe.
I don't understand that.
I think I don't understand.
Let me
Okay.
remember an example.
Let me make an example, my lord.
No. Don't make an example. If you don't understand, fine. I'll pass. I'm asking the question. Just in
Uma kuthi
clarification.
awuzwa.
Just in clarification.
Okay. Okay.
You wanted to indicate using this diagram, my lord.
No.
Okay.
Some simple question. I'm just asking. Did Gininda force you to initial? You said no. Now I say, when you initialed, whatever you initialed, it was out of your own free will. That's all.
Ushilo ukuthi akazange akuphoqe. Manje ke umbuzo wami olandelayo uthi ke uma ngabe wena ukwenza ukuphuma kuwena amagama awenzi into oyitshelwa umunye umuntu wenza into ephuma kuwena uyenza ngokukhululeka futhi.
I understand.
I don't understand it.
Okay, fine. I'll pass.
Ngizodlula ke lapho.
Right? When you signed that so-called statement, signed, did Gininda force you to sign?
Uma ngabe usigned angithi manje ushilo wathi usigned kulela lokugcina ipage ne. Uma usigned lapha kulela page lokugcina wakuphoqa yini uGininda ukuthi sign?
Njengoba ngisho ukuthi akekho umuntu angiphoqayo.
As I've already indicated that no one forced me.
Okay. Did Gininda give you a version? Did he tell you what to say, Gininda?
Kukhona
In
wakusho
that
kuwena.
statement, whatever.
Kukhona wathi kuwena uGininda ke yilokhu uma ukusho noma ke yilokhu engikulindela kuwena ukuthi ukusho. Kukhona akunikeza kona athi isho lokho.
No, akukho akusho. Ngoba ngisho ngaseqaleni ukuthi akukho akusho ukuthi angikusho. Into eyenzakalayo. Ngikhuluma ngento ku-statement ukuthi into ku-statement akusiyo lengangisho.
No, he never gave me a version or said to me, say this. But what I'm referring to is that which is contained in the statement, it is not what I said.
No, fine. So he never said, say this, say that, say this, say that, say this, say that. I know you're saying what he eventually wrote, according to you. It wasn't what you told him. But the question is different. Did he say to you, say the water is black when it was green? Say the water is red when it was yellow? Meaning, say this, say that, say this, say that. And he wrote down.
Ngiyakuzwa wena lokho kushoyo ukuthi kukhona wena owakusho kuyena kodwa ke manje ku statement usuthola izinto ongakazi uzisho kodwa ke umbuzo ke manje uhlukile wona umbuzo uthi ingaba wathi uGininda wayethi kuwena cha abona amanzi amnyama kodwa wena yithi abomvu uyabona lokho kukanje kodwa wena yithi kukanje wakwenza yini lokho
Ngicabanga lapha ecourt njengoba bekade ngeke ngaba nokuphamisa kodwa umoya sikhuluma noMrs Banda bengavumi lokho ukuthi kube khona umuntu ongifunza amagama azange ngifunze umuntu amagama.
I think that which led yesterday led to the tempers being heated yesterday, my lord. It was with regards to the words being put in my mouth. So no one put words in my mouth.
Okay, fine. Gininda never put words into your mouth. Fine. The other thing, just the last thing. Sorry, I just want to ask this. Yeah, you said at one stage, at the very end, you are saying that Gininda said to you, if you want to add anything, you are at liberty to do so. You confirm that, he said that.
Uyasho ke ukuthi ke mase nibuye nihlangana futhi ngolesibili uGininda wazi ukuthi ke uma kuukuthi kukhona office uku-add.
Yebo njalo.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. The last question. Can you read English?
Isingisi uyakwazi futhi usifunda. I-English uyakwazi uyifunda?
Yeah, noma ngekho fluent English but ngiyakhona ukusifunda somewhere.
Yes, although I'm not fluent in English, I am able to read it somewhere, somehow.
Don't worry. A lot of us are not fluent in English. But you can read English.
Kodwa ukuyifunda kona
Like
ngiyakwazi.
this Sowetan.
Yeah, I can read.
The Bucks
Yes, I
beats
can read it.
Chiefs 7-0. You can read that. Can you write in English? Can you write?
Ukubhala ngayo kona?
Ngabhala.
I can, I'm able to.
At your work, your job description, what do you do at your work?
Emsebenzini, umsebenzi wakho uyini? La usebenza khona.
Ngi-mine.
I'm a miner.
You told us that you said you are a supervisor.
Yes, supervisor.
Yes.
Do you work with a pen?
Besebenzisa
Do you
ipen.
sit with people, talk to them and write something?
Uhlale nabantu
Write
phansi,
a report.
ubhale umbiko, i-report.
Yebo.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Ngiyabonga.
Yeah, okay. That's it, ne? There's just one thing.
Sorry, my lord. I do have questions from the bench question.
Myself as well. I think that is what procedure dictates, that we need to be afforded the opportunity to,
Is that allowed, Mr. Doctor?
that is what the procedure says.
I'm just allowing the doctor. I'm just asking the doctor.
Indeed, my lord.
Hello?
We are allowed to ask any question that emanates from the court's
The court.
questions.
Okay,
Yes.
fine. Yeah. Okay, let's hear. I want you to say,
I'm not so
Mr.
sure if the state has got any on that.
Hello?